Gluten-free brownies often get a bad reputation for being dry and tasteless. But with the right ingredients and techniques, you can make gluten-free brownies that taste incredible. Here's our countdown on the 8 best tips to transform your gluten-free brownie recipe into a delectable, moist, and rich dessert that no one will believe is gluten-free. 8. Choose the right flour. One of the key challenges in gluten-free baking is finding the right flour blend. Traditional wheat flour provides structure and elasticity to baked goods, which is often lacking in gluten-free flours. To achieve a similar texture, it's essential to use a high-quality gluten-free flour blend. Many commercial gluten-free flour mixes are available, but you can also create your own blend using a combination of rice flour, potato starch, and tapioca flour. This mix provides a balance of lightness and structure, ensuring your brownies are neither too dense nor too crumbly. 7. Incorporate moisture. Moisture is crucial for delicious brownies, and gluten-free brownies can often turn out dry if not handled properly. To keep your brownies moist, consider using ingredients like applesauce, yogurt, or even avocado. These ingredients add moisture without altering the flavor significantly. Additionally, using a combination of butter and oil can help maintain a moist texture. Butter adds richness and flavor, while oil ensures the brownies stay soft and tender. 6. Use the right chocolate. Chocolate is the star ingredient in any brownie recipe, and it's no different for gluten-free brownies. Use high-quality chocolate and cocoa powder to ensure a rich, chocolatey flavor. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content works best, as it provides a deep, intense flavor that can stand up to the other ingredients. Melt the chocolate with butter over low heat, stirring until smooth and glossy. This technique ensures the chocolate is evenly distributed throughout the batter, resulting in a more uniform texture and flavor. 5. Add structure with eggs. Eggs play a crucial role in providing structure and moisture to brownies. For gluten-free brownies, it's essential to use enough eggs to help bind the ingredients together. Typically, 3 to 4 large eggs are sufficient for most recipes. Be sure to beat the eggs well before adding them to the batter, as this helps incorporate air and provides lift, resulting in a lighter texture. 4. Sweeten the deal. Sugar is not only a sweetener but also contributes to the texture and moisture of brownies. Using a combination of granulated sugar and brown sugar can enhance the flavor and moisture content of your brownies. Brown sugar adds a slight molasses flavor and helps keep the brownies chewy and moist. If you're looking to reduce refined sugar, you can experiment with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, but keep in mind that these can alter the texture and flavor. 3. Follow the proper baking technique. The baking process can make or break your gluten-free brownies. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line your baking pan with parchment paper to prevent sticking and ensure even baking. When mixing your batter, be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to dense, tough brownies. Mix just until the ingredients are combined. Bake your brownies until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Overbaking can result in dry brownies, so it's better to err on the side of slightly underbaking. 2. Add extra flavors and textures. To take your gluten-free brownies to the next level, consider adding extra flavors and textures. Chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans, can add a satisfying crunch. Swirl in some peanut butter or cream cheese for a decadent touch. You can also add a handful of chocolate chips or chunks to the batter for pockets of melted chocolate. 1. Add a finishing touch. Once your brownies are baked and cooled, you can add some finishing touches to make them even more appealing. Dust the top with powdered sugar, drizzle with melted chocolate, or spread a layer of ganache for extra indulgence. Cutting the brownies into even squares and serving them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream can make for an irresistible dessert presentation. Making gluten-free brownies that taste incredible is all about using the right ingredients and techniques. With these tips, your gluten-free brownies will rival any traditional version, proving that gluten-free baking can be both delicious and satisfying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.